No, no, not until working is done.
Lunch break.
Now, and...
Chuta, I wanted it rare.
Zumika!
Food.
Let's...
You know I am starving.
Oh, don't you worry about me being hungry. I'm used to it by now. Listen, you're coming home with us and I'm cooking you a nice meal.
I'm so hungry. Whoops. My tummy's just a wee bit upset.
What's going on? Why do I feel so weird? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Need some nutrition.
Fine.
I think I'm gonna do y'all
Pizza.
with
Chips. Okie dokie.
Did he say he wanted chips on his pizza?
What else is new?
God. Oh, you should be a comedian. Damn, that was hilarious. Dumbass. Oh my God, my stomach. I shouldn't have had that milkshake. Ooh. Okay, quick bathroom break. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Chicken sandwich. Woo! I blow this bitch up like Afghanistan.
You could very well be the reason warning labels exist.
Oh, nature calls. Awesome. What else can you do? Oh, yeah. Out of me.
Escargoon, my gut's grumbling. Get me some grub and make it grubby.
Well, pacing like that's only gonna make you hungrier.
Bring some eggs.
What a mess.
Can we take a break? I'm starving.
My top 3 favorite drinks when I was a kid would be like Mountain Cooler Capri Sun, Ecto Cooler High C, and then fucking boom, Pepto-Bismol somewhere in between. Hell, even as an adult, if my stomach starts going I get all excited because now I have a reason to drink some goddamn Pepto-Bismol.